Every Muslim is a terrorist. Period.
Right now.
Shut your mouth. I don't want to hear every one of you are terrorists. I don't care what you say.
Salah ad-Din was not by himself. He was a representative of a generation.
As Muslim women, we hear it all. Everyone has an opinion and it gets loud.